Welcome to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we'll learn how to apply animations to text and objects in PowerPoint step by step. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide where you want to add an animation. Click on the text box, shape, or image you want to animate. Now, go to the Animations tab on the ribbon. Here, you'll see several categories of effects, entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Let's start with a simple entrance effect. As soon as you select it, PowerPoint will show a preview of how the animation looks. Next, click on the Animation Pane button on the right side of the toolbar. This opens a panel that lists all the animations on your slide. It's a great place to control the order, timing, and style of each animation. Now, let's control when the animation starts. With your animated object selected, look for the Start option in the toolbar. You can choose on click, with previous, or after previous. If you want to control when it appears during your presentation, choose on click. Next, set the duration to control how fast or slow the animation plays. You can type the time or use the arrows to adjust it. Then, set a delay if you want the animation to start a little later, for example after half a second. If your text box contains bullet points, you can make them appear one by one. Click the animation entry in the Animation Pane, then go to Effect Options and select by paragraph. Now each bullet point will animate separately, great for keeping your audience focused. Let's explore motion paths. Select your object again, open the Animations list, and scroll down to Motion Paths. Choose a direction, such as line, arc, or circle. You'll see a dotted line showing the path of movement. Adjust the path by dragging the red and green points. To preview your work, click the Preview button in the Animations tab. Watch how each object enters and moves. If any animation feels too slow, reduce its duration. If it feels too flashy, switch to a simpler one. Once you're happy with the timing and movement, press F5 to test it in slideshow mode. Check that animations appear at the right moments and match your narration. When everything looks good, save your presentation. Thank you for watching Full Course Online. Subscribe and continue learning with us for more practical PowerPoint tutorials that make your presentation stand out.